बिरजेश महाराज, बिरजेश महाराज काशी के बहुत बड़े हिंदी के विद्वान थे। उनकी शादी मारवाड़ के इलाके में हुई थी, मारवाड़ इन राजस्थान। तो whenever any respectable person goes to that region, Marwar region, the people there, they call him Kunwar Sahab, Kunwar. Kunwar is a very high profile word in Marwar region. So Birjesh Bhai was married in Marwar region. He went to his in-laws house and they used to call him, come Kunwar Sahab आइए, Kunwar Sahab खाइए, Kunwar Sahab बैठिए। तो हिंदी के वो विद्वान थे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि देखो, कु शब्द जो है, कु, वो नेगेटिव वर्डों में लगाया जाता है। कुविचार, कुत्सित, कलुषित, कमीना, कु। तो उनके ससुर ने कहा, फिर कहे पॉजिटिव वर्ड में सु लगाया जाता है, सु, सुस्वादु, सुसंस्कार, सुव्यवस्थित। तो बोले कि तब आइए सुअर साहब, रटो मत, समझो। द ओनली थिंग रिक्वायर्ड टू बिकम अ किंग इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग। क्लर्क, बाबू और चपरासी बनने के लिए पढ़ना पड़ता है, राजा बनने के लिए समझना पड़ता है। ठीक? Religion. What was religion in pre-modern world? Religion of ancient India. Pre-modern world. Religion was constitution. In modern world, you have man-made constitution. This is the big difference between pre-modern and modern world. Pre-modern and modern. In pre-modern world, religion was constitution. Bible, Vedas, Quran were called as Apaurushe. Apaurushe means not written by human being, written by God. Who will implement it? King. King was representative of God. Jille Ilahi. Jille Ilahi means representative of God. In ancient India, Ashoka took the title of Devanam Piyadasi, beloved of God. Guptas took the title of Param Bhagwat. Today, Mr. Modi is not Jille Ilahi. He is Jille Hindustani. He is not Jille Ilahi. He is Jille Hindustani. Jille Hindustani means representative of Indian people. Akbar was Jille Ilahi. Modi is Jille Hindustani. Biden is Jille American. Representative of American people. Clear? ये समझने वाली बात है। आलोक, दानिश, so if economy, polity and society will change, ancient India, In this valley civilization, with confirmation we cannot say which religion was present. Confirmation. We do assumption. But ancient India can be divided into religion was constitution, Vedic period, Rig,